Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're in Walt Disney World at Saratoga Springs, which is a moderate resort on the Walt Disney World property. And we're going to give you a tour of one of the rooms here. It's a nicely redone room. We're going to tell you what we thought of it, and if this is a place you should stay on your next trip to Disney. All of that coming right up. So Saratoga Springs is a moderate Disney resort located in the EPCOT resort area, so you're fairly close to EPCOT, Typhoon Lagoon, and Hollywood Studios. It is a DVC villa type of room, which means you do have an efficiency, like a little kitchenette that we'll show you. And it does have a theme that is based on Saratoga Springs, New York. Very horse theme, very equestrian, you know, a lot of horse racing. Actually have the horse racing sound that goes off every hour. And so we'll give you a tour of the room, tell you what we think of the room. We'll, at the end of this video, give you some tips and tricks and things that we noticed in the room. And also, if you do like this video, please subscribe. We will be having a resort tour soon, and we don't get as many views on these videos. So if you can share them with your social network, if you enjoyed it, we would appreciate it. So here we go. I'll pass it over to Aaron of the past to go through the room. All right, we're here at Saratoga Springs in room 1623. Let's go inside and we can show you the room. All right, so this is the room. Give you a quick tour. This is the entranceway, the little foyer. And it does have a mirror, as well as this great little place to hang your coat. And directly behind us is a connecting room. So this is where it adjoins. And we'll show you, as we usually do on the map, where we are. So we're right here in the middle. And it gives us a great view, which we'll show you out back. Now, one cool thing is this door does have a second lock system. So of course it's got your main bolt, but it also has this plate to stop anyone from coming in, which is nice. All right, so first thing we'll show you is this is a Disney Vacation Club room. So it does include a little kitchenette. So the kitchenette comes with a microwave, as well as a coffee maker and a toaster, as well as the Joffrey's coffee and ice bucket, as well as a can opener, which is quite nice. So there's the coffee and teas. Now, above us is some additional plates and so forth, so we'll show you that. So they do give you some additional plates, cups, and the like. So that's handy while you're making a bunch of food for the family, as well as knives and forks. Okay. And then below us is the refrigerator. I won't show you inside of there. We've done them 100 times. And below here, there is nothing in here other than a fire extinguisher. Directly to my left, this door is locked, so we cannot get in, and probably holds all the Disney magic. Okay. Directly behind us, show you that now, is the bathroom vanity. Nice. It's a remodeled room. It's a very nice bathroom vanity. Pretty big mirror there, nice lights, and it does have your single sink, so not two. And then just down below here is a pull-out drawer that you of course can use. And directly right of that is the closet. So the closet does include a bunch of extra pillows, as well as the iron, the playpen or crib for the little ones, and a ironing board. So that all does come standard with the room. Additionally, there are some things that you can order to the room, and we'll show you that shortly. So now directly right of this, towards where we came in, is the bathroom. So I'll show you the bathroom here. It's very nice. Pretty large, good amount of space in here. What I really like is it does have glass as opposed to a shower curtain, which makes, we find, a more enjoyable shower. Now it does also have the single-use reusable, or sorry, to get rid of the single-use reusable, the single-use plastics, it does have these reusable bottles. Some people love them. I think most people don't, but there we go. And then here's what the shower looks like. So you do have a rain head and a detachable head, which also is nice. And I'm, again, 6'4", and I fit pretty well underneath all of this. Now, coming out of the bathroom here, towards where we were, where the kitchenette is, on our left, we enter into the main area. So this is the main room. This is a single queen-size bed with a pull-out. I'll show you over here first. So here's the nightstand. And the nightstand does have fully functional, unlike Boardwalk, power and USB ports. Coming back over this way, you can see there's a very nice mirror along with a little seating area here to get your shoes and stuff on. In here you can find additional storage, which is pretty good. You have your waste bins over here. Over this way towards the main chest of drawers, you have the power and USB as well on this side. Nice marble countertop. Over here is where you have a little seating area. This seating area does turn into a Murphy bed, and we'll show you with that fully extended shortly. Here again is the bed. And on the right side of the nightstand, again, fully functioning power ports. And in here you can see sort of the size of the drawer. Kind of small, but good enough for what's in your nightstand, I'm sure. And then back this way, again, large chest of drawers. And a pretty large TV. And I'll show you what the drawers look like. Inside of these drawers, you can see here, pretty, not the deepest, they're pretty shallow drawers. However, they can hold a lot in them, so that's very nice. And then again, looking this way, we'll show you our view. This is our wonderful window here at Saratoga Springs. Better than our contemporary room. And let me just open it up and take you outside. So again, this is Saratoga Springs. This is a second pool that you can see over here. And then you can just see next to this building over here, that's downtown Disney. And we'll show you what it looks like here. Here's the size of your balcony. Pretty good. And you could get some food delivered, eat it outside if you'd like. It's a pretty big size. Again, I'll show you out here towards the pool. It's very relaxing, very quiet and peaceful here. So once more, we will take you back to the room, show you the view backwards. So here's again what the room looks like. Starting from the door we just came in on. And looking left. So again, the Murphy bed. The main bed. Here is the washroom, as well as that little entryway we came in. And then on this side, you've got the TV and the chest of drawers. And once more, that's the room. So a couple of things that we've noticed. One, there is quite a bit of dust back here. I'm not sure if you can see all of that. Pretty dusty. Secondly, and again, not sure if you can see this, up here on the fan, quite dusty. Not sure if that's able to focus for you or not, but it's pretty dusty. But all in all, not bad. Very clean, very new. Feels like you can smell the fresh paint. So we would highly recommend this, but I'll pass it over to Aaron in the future to give you a little bit more context, what we thought, what the sleep was, and everything else. So thank you very much. So there you have it. We don't really have too many negatives about this room specifically. Charging was great, very comfortable room, wasn't very noisy. Air conditioner was great. We were close to the elevators, and that can be good and bad. It's very convenient. However, you do hear a lot of noise that comes from people coming from the park. So if you're trying to sleep in or you're a very light sleeper, you're likely going to hear traffic. Also, the rooms aren't very well soundproofed from the doors out from the sort of front door. So you will hear a lot of stuff outside as well. The hallways can be very echoey. It's very much like a motel, if you can tell by the videos. And so you kind of hear a lot of the noise bouncing around in those concrete tunnels. And so you do also hear that. Next up, this is also a very sprawling resort. So, you don't really know where you're going to be on the resort property. It can take about 7 to 8 minutes to walk to our room. We did have a preferred room, and so that was closer. And you can take a bus to the main building, but it doesn't work the other way around. So any bus at one of the bus stops will take you to the main building. However, you can't get on a bus from the main building to go back, so you will have to walk. So really, those are the few things that we noticed about this resort. We really had a lot of great stuff to say about these rooms and about what you had here. So we would highly recommend people stay here if you're looking for a moderate resort specifically, or you want to be very close to Disney Springs because you are just a walk away. This is a great place to go, great place to stay. The rooms are nicely redone. We really wish the boardwalk rooms are like this. If we could have these rooms in the boardwalk resort. So what do you think about this resort? You saw our little walkthrough. Have you stayed here? What are your thoughts on the rooms? Do you find them as comfortable as we did? We'd love to hear your opinion. Also, as we said, these videos for Disney don't get quite as many views as our cruise videos. We would love it if you could share with your social network so we could start building more of a community around these videos. We do enjoy going to the parks, and we enjoy showing you the different resorts and the different things to do so you can make an effective choice with your money on what you want to do at the Disney parks as well. So please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked the video. Give us a comment in the comments below, and happy travels.